X-P4 drone. PteroDynamics is currently developing the X-P4 drone, an updated version of the Transwing aircraft. This generation of aircraft is expected to push the boundaries of what is possible with VTOL technology. In the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV's PteroDynamics Inc. has made a mark with its unique and innovative solutions. Their innovative Transwing aircraft technology is at the forefront of this initiative. The standout feature of PteroDynamics technology is the Transwing aircraft, a unique VTOL design that folds its wings during flight to transition between configurations optimized for vertical and horizontal flight. This design is radically different from all other VTOL aircraft designs and is protected by 4 granted patents and 15 pending patents in 11 jurisdictions around the world. The Transwing aircraft has key advantages over other VTOL aircraft for specific missions. These include a smaller operating footprint and greater wind resistance in its takeoff and landing configurations, which can be customized for mission objectives such as faster or slower nominal cruise speeds, greater payload weight fraction capability, and/or longer range and endurance. Wing's operational drone fleet is lightweight, lab-tested and real-world approved through hundreds of thousands of commercial deliveries across 3 continents. Wing is also developing a library of aircraft to support future market needs. Conclusion: PteroDynamics X-P4 drone, built on the unique Transwing technology, is designed to revolutionize the way we approach aerial mobility. With its focus on sustainability, autonomous capabilities, and vertical takeoff and landing, it holds great promise for both defense and commercial applications. However, competition is fierce in this innovative field. Other competitors such as A2Z Drone Delivery's RDSX Pelican and Wing's delivery drones also present attractive and viable solutions for a variety of missions. As the market continues to evolve, one thing is clear: VTOL technology is changing the future of logistics and air transportation.